Welcome to Intangent's Insider video series, where we take you through important SPM software features and functionalities that can save you time and help you get the most from your software investment. In this video, we'll show you one of the most underutilized functionalities of ICM, the ability to have multiple admin roles and role access. The multiple roles can be configured to have select access to different features and components of the model. This allows for multiple people to access the model, as well as manage the risk of inadvertent changes to the model. An ID can be assigned roles by going into the model option selection at the top left corner and clicking on the pencil icon of the desired ID. In this case, we have several options and we're changing an admin to a payroll administrator. We can configure the roles and their permissions by going back to the home page, and then entering the admin page and navigating to the Manage Role section. By default, the administrator role will automatically have access to everything. But a role, like the HR compensation team that we've set up, is very restricted and can only access scenarios. The payroll administrator has more access, and one of the things we can do is grant people in this role calculation access at 3 levels: View, Run, and Individual Calculation. This way, comp specialists do not have to look for a system admin to start a calculation in the model, and can run them as they see fit. We can grant the payroll administrator role access to table data. For instance, the effective payee table. We may want to give them the ability to view the data, see historical records, and edit the data, but not allow the role to add new records or to delete records. We can also grant the payroll administrator role the ability to import data into the system. They can have the ability to view the files on the system, but are not allowed to edit the files once uploaded to the SFTP. However, they can still run imports from the file into whatever tables they might need it to go into. This is more helpful for when there is a large set of manual payments, for example, and the payroll administrators can prepare a file and do a batch upload without a system admin intervening. In conclusion, by having multiple roles in the system, you can grant model access to commission specialists or business analysts without also granting them full system or administrative access. They can be granted view access without the ability to edit or write data into the system, or even restrict which table, view, calc, or component from the system that they have visibility and access to. For more Intangent Insider tips, visit our blog at intangent.com/blog.